Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste this link and click on download. Step number 3, make money like this, or make money like this, or even make money like this. Alright guys, I quickly want you to take a look at these 3 clips over here. By watching these, you are on your way to making over $32,000 in revenue every single month. This doesn't include TikTok, this doesn't include Instagram Reels, and this doesn't include YouTube Shorts. Now I want to show you in today's video and prove to you how you can go and make money on this platform over here. On this platform, this person over here is getting 80.7k views every single month. This person over here, who is a full-time mom, is making 749k views every single month, and this page over here with 467,000 views every single month. Now I want you to notice one thing: these pages aren't big at all. I mean, this person only has 340 followers. Most Instagram pages of people around the world have more followers than this, and they are getting 80.7k views a month. This person with 3k followers is nearly getting 750,000 views every single month. This person with 1.8k followers only is already at 500,000 views every single month. You can do this with zero experience, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, and it's all completely free to access. You don't need a camera, you don't need to record your own voice, you don't need to record your own face, and you can build a business like this and make this kind of money online. On top of your monthly revenue and views, you can earn big affiliate commissions and course commissions on every single video that you post. This kind of platform has allowed these people to have complete freedom in their life. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how you can go and do this, and trust me, this kind of model is not oversaturated at all. There's not a lot of people doing this. Remember, there's over 7 billion people in this world. There's always a market for everything. So when people tell me dropshipping is dead, affiliate marketing is dead, or is it too late to start YouTube or any kind of online business, it's not at all. There is over probably even close to 8 billion people in the world right now. There is always a market for something. Good morning, fellow entrepreneurs. Today I'm back with a banger of a video. So over here I've got 4 simple steps for you guys. So firstly, step number 1 is to go and source content. Step number 2 is we're going to go and publish content. Step number 3 is we're going to have multiple ways to monetize this content. You can actually make multiple streams of income of the same piece of content. Step number 4, we're going to go and automate this to let it run on autopilot. So while this is busy making views, commissions, affiliate commissions, you name it, we can go and invest our time into something else. So whether you are in a 9-to-5 job, whether you're a student, whether you work at home or you're a full-time mom at home, you can go and do this part-time or full-time, these 4 simple steps over here, and make money online just like this. And the exact platform that I'm talking about and that I think not enough people are actually utilizing is Pinterest over here. So go and take a look at the health and fitness niche. On the search bar, go and click on the top right. You can go and look at videos, people, boards, and your pins. So let's go and have a look at different people in the health and fitness niche. We can then open up a couple of these pages in a new tab. So for example, Everyday Health, who has 3.6 million followers, Health, who has 760k, Men's Health, and Women's Health magazine. Just open up a couple of these, and over here you can go and view all of their pins over here. So here's another page, 10 million monthly views, 5.8 million monthly views, 10 million again, and another 10 million over here. So obviously these pages have been doing this for a while. They've scaled to hundreds of thousands of followers and millions of views. In the beginning, you can start off small. I mean, as I showed you, that page with only 300 followers was already nearly at 100k views every single month. So it's really quick to scale with this, and you really don't need followers or a big account at all. This algorithm is much like TikTok or Instagram Reels, where you can go and get 100k views overnight with 0 followers. And you can do this in any niche. If I come back to Pinterest and I go and search the car niche, we can go and again come over to people. Take a look at this. Here's another page called Car Zone, X Lavish, Barrett Jackson Auction. So over here you can see car pages are getting 10 million monthly views, 43k monthly views, 6.8 million. So any kind of niche works with this. Let's also go the motivation niche. So we can click on motivation. Let's come over to people again. And over here you can see, for example, Mercedes influencer, Forever 21, Ella France, These people are also 400k monthly views, 10 million monthly views, 10 million monthly views. Any kind of niche with this is really getting a lot of views. Like I said, there's always a market for everything in this world. You see, and what you don't know is these pages over here are selling awesome affiliate products and course products on the back end and making boatloads of money on top of all of these views every single month. So let me go and choose one of their videos, which is this one over here. Here you can see, obviously, one of my favorite cars, Nissan GTR, spitting flames, 1.9k reactions to this little video over here, tons of comments. So videos like this in any niche get a lot of engagement and really grows their page fast. And if I come over to their page, all of this car content is content that's not even their own. They're just reusing it, leveraging it, and making boatloads of money from this. I mean, have a look at this. Here you can see these are literally just images that they find on Google, TikTok, Instagram, other platforms that they're just sharing to their Pinterest page. And by doing that, they are getting close to 750k monthly views. And all you have to do to get started with this is to leave a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell. And also, leave a comment down below that you're ready, and you'll be able to get started with this in no time. The first thing you need to go and do is, once you've done that, is to copy the URL of this pin. For example, this Nissan GTR spitting flames. You want to come over to this website called pinterestvideodownloader.com, or you can just go to Google and search Pinterest Video Download. Go and paste this link over here and click on download. Again, go and click on download video file in 1080p format, which is HD format. Click on these three dots and just click on download. And as you can see, it's downloaded to my PC. So that is step number 1 completed. We go completed. We're going to outsource content off of Pinterest. So step number 2 is to go and publish content. We can go and use multiple different websites. So I'm going to put here TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Now, remember in the beginning I said we don't need to use TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. What I mean by that is we don't have to go and make our own content. There's no effort of having to record, live stream, constantly come up with our content ideas. All of this is automated and running on autopilot. These platforms over here, we're not going to be publishing on, but these are also other platforms you can go and source content from. So you can head over to TikTok, go and search health or cars or motivation. YouTube Shorts, health, cars or motivation. Instagram, any niche, you can go and source content from there and we can go and publish it. So for example, if I come over to TikTok, you want to come over to top videos and go and choose some of the videos with the most views. For example, this video got 15.4 million views, 12.4 million views on this beautiful Dodge Challenger over here. 14.3 million views on what it looks like a Supra, a Nissan GTR, and a couple of cars. A Mustang Coyote, 7.8 million views. A McLaren Senna, nearly 20 million views. So these videos over here are perfect videos to go and source. All you do is you go and copy the URL of this video. You come over to Google and search TikTok download without watermark. It's very important to go and download this video without the watermark, because obviously if you go and post this on Pinterest or any other platform and they see the TikTok watermark, the algorithm will pick that up and you won't get as many views. So once it's over here, clicked on this website called savet.cc, click on paste your link, click on download, go and download this as MP4, click on download. Now you can see you've got a perfectly downloaded TikTok without the watermark that we can go and source and use. You can go and do this on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels as well. So now that we know a few platforms where to go and source our content, step 3 is to go and monetize. So we can go and use, for example, affiliate products on Digistore 24, ClickBank. We can go and use Udemy courses, which is the affiliate program. We can go and use Fiverr services. Again, their affiliate program. Or you can go and create your own e-com store or product and sell that with your page. And the easiest way to do this is to have the link to whatever affiliate program or your own product in the description of your videos. And naturally, viewers will be interested and go and have a look at what you have to offer. Let's go and take the car niche. We can come over to Digistore 24 over here. Let's go and search anything that's got to do with car and have a look if there's anything relative to that. Nothing really over here. With the car niche, you can actually come over to teespring.com on Google. We can click on start creating, and you want to go and create a car t-shirt. So I'm just going to quickly go and log in with my account, and I'm going to see you on the back end. On your Teespring dashboard, go and click on start designing on the top right over here. It will then launch the designer where we can go and create women's t-shirts, premium t-shirts, mugs, print glasses, stickers, posters, sweaters, leggings, even AirPod Pro cases. So in order to go and do this, to go and get a nice logo for your merch, come over to Google and just go and search car logo design, or even maker if you want to go and search that. We can come over to the first link over here, design your own car logo. We can then go and enter our company name. So we can go, for example, Car Virals. Click on make your own logo. Pick your industry. We can go car, for example, Car Club. Go and click on continue. Just pick a couple of logos that you like. I like this one. I usually like the ones with white backgrounds. Perfect. And maybe one more. We can then click on continue. Our color, I usually just like blue, maybe grayscale, and a bit of red as well. Click on continue. If you want to add a slogan, you can go and do that. I'm not going to do that. Click on continue, click on skip, and let's go and have a look at what they've created for us. So yeah, you can see I'm obviously choosing this option, creating my own product, which is my own Teespring shirt store. Obviously with the car niche, it's a bit difficult to go and find a course about cars because you don't really get courses on cars. Maybe a course on how to detail or wash a car. ClickBank and Digistore 24, more for the e-com and health and fitness niche. No real affiliate products on the car niche. Over here, it's now generated you a couple of logos. Some really nice ones over here. I'm just going to go and choose my favorite one, which could be this one over here. I like this gold one over here. We can go and click on this, open this in a new tab. And over here, this website has now created an entire done for you store for you. So they've put your logo on bags, stickers for laptops, business cards, t-shirts, hats, and apparel. So we can go and click on this. Once your logo is downloaded, come back to Teespring, just go and select premium tee. We can go and click on add image and go and upload our supercar logo over here that we've just created. So we can either go and put this in the middle. If you want to put this in the middle, maybe smaller a bit, or we can put it on the badge, more or less on the top right over here, but I usually like it in the middle, or maybe just like that. We can then go and click on continue and have a look at your profits. Every time you go and sell a t-shirt, you are going to make $10.94 profit per sale, because Teespring needs to take $16 to obviously cover the expenses of making the t-shirt, printing it, deliveries, and they are giving you $10.94 per sale. So you don't need to go and order these t-shirts yourself. You don't need to have them in stock. Teespring does all of the work for you. Once you're ready, go and click on continue. We can also go and design male t-shirts, kids t-shirts, bags, but once we're ready, click on continue over here. It will then go and launch your t-shirt. So you just need to go and type in your title, your description, your URL. And once that's ready, your link to your store will be over here, which you can then put in the description of your videos. So we are now completed with step number 3, which is monetize our content. I obviously created my own e-commerce store and product, which is my t-shirt. Step number 4, the final step, is to go and automate our posts and our content. In order to go and do that, we can come over to this website over here called loomly.com. Now, I'm not an affiliate for this product. I got influence from this website from another YouTube video that I saw. Really epic website, so I decided to talk about it today. We're going to go and click on start your 15-day free trial on the top right over here. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I don't get commissions talking about this. I'm talking about this freely over here on my YouTube channel. Go and enter this information and go and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you can go and connect all of your social media accounts and have this tool automatically post. So let's go and connect our Pinterest page over here. We click on connect. Click on connect and just select give access. Pinterest has now been connected. You can connect Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, even your own custom channel. We can then go and schedule posts. So let's go and click on next step over here. Click on original workflow, which is 7 post states, requires edits, approval, and click on finish over here. Let's go and create our first post. Now, what we can go and do is we can go and create 7 posts in a week. So we can go and download, for example, 7 pieces of content off of TikTok without the watermark. We can then come over to Loomly and schedule that to post every day for 7 days. So we set up video number 1, for example, hashtag Ferrari Friday. You go and find a video about a Ferrari. We go and click that, schedule date and time. We're obviously going to go and choose Friday, and over here, select social channels. We click on next. We're going to be choosing Pinterest, and we're going to go and choose, for example, our car pin board. And then the description of our pin, we can just go and type for hashtag Ferrari Friday. What do you think of this Ferrari? Link in bio for merch. We can then click on got it, go and paste, and go and do this for each and every 7 of our posts so that this tool will automatically go and post on your Pinterest channel for 7 days. We can go and schedule content for a month, 365 videos for a year, and you can leave this automating your Pinterest page for the next year while you're getting views, clicks on your links, and sales on your t-shirts. And not only you can do this on Pinterest, you can do this on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. You can automate multiple pages in multiple different niches at the same time. So you can go and create a page based on cars, motivation, health and fitness, and automate all 3 of them with Loomly.com. If you want to learn more about making money online by automating content like this without actually recording and making it yourself, I've got an entire playlist for you guys with about 300 plus videos that I've created in the last 3 years on YouTube. Honestly, some of this information I've learned from thousands of dollars worth of courses. It's now for free on YouTube. So this playlist on the screen over here has all of these videos in one easy playlist for you guys. You can save it, watch it later, or you can click on it now and go and take a look. It will help you out in learning more how to create content, give you an idea on different niches that you can use, different affiliate products that you can go and use. So what I suggest is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.